Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And what always comes after Thanksgiving besides dessert and maybe a beverage? Yep. Clean up for days. And she went shopping. Told you she'd be back in 30 minutes. When your wife told you to take your shoes off and you didn't, and reminds you before she walks out the door 15 seconds later to make sure you mop the floor before she gets back. Okay. Just before she walked out the door, she said, I can't find the mop. I think to myself, was that mop I used on that vinyl side job last week? Yeah. Yep, that was the one. Things people will do to stay married.